Hello, YouTube world. My name is Camilla, and today I'm back with another product review video. Today I will be reviewing this lotion by First Aid Beauty, and it is called the Ultra Repair Cream, and it came in the limited edition scent of pink grapefruit. And I picked up this item at Ulta when it was on sale. And I was drawn to try this item because of the description on the packaging. It is advertised that you can use this item to help alleviate dry skin, harsh skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other skin conditions. And if some of you all do not know, I suffer from eczema and very dry skin, so I was definitely going to try this product. And without further ado, I'll get into my opinion of the product. And the first thing I will say is that I did not experience any type of breakouts or irritation from using the product. I was concerned because it's scented, and usually most products that are advertised as eczema friendly do not have a scent. But the scent is very light and subtle, and basically it is strong enough for you to get the the scent of pink grapefruit when you're putting the lotion on, but not strong as like a scented lotion from say Bath and Body Works. So I was very pleased with that. And as far as the hydration part of the lotion, it is definitely very hydrating, and the product is more of a whipped type texture, I would say, and it is definitely very hydrating. It goes on just like this. You just have to work it in just a little bit. And I will say that the product itself is moisturizing, but it's not heavy. So you will definitely still enjoy this lotion from First Aid Beauty, even if you do not have dry skin or eczema. But definitely, if you do have eczema or dry skin, you will very much appreciate this lotion. And honestly, it is kind of pricey, so you might not necessarily want it to, be your all over your whole body lotion. You may want to just reserve it for whenever you have like pa- patches on your body, like your elbows, your knees, or wherever that may be. Or either you might want to reserve this as more of something that you use on your hands. And also, while I'm thinking about it, this product, as I was using it, to me, it is very similar to the CeraVe moisturizing cream, except for the moisturizing cream, of course, is more of a creamier texture, and this is more of a whipped texture. But as far as the moisture level, it's very similar to me. And usually, depending on the size of the container where you get it, the CeraVe is a little bit cheaper as far as if you want to use that all over your body and then just supplement this, in certain areas of your body, like your hands or whatnot. You can also do that as well. But as far as this product, it does exactly what it is advertised to do, in my opinion, from my own experience. And I would recommend that you try it. Um, and if you don't want to pay full price for it, wait and try to catch it on sale at Ulta. They usually have it on sale every once in a while. That's how I was able to try it. And that's pretty much it. I definitely give this product a 10 out of 10. And go ahead and leave a comment below if you've tried this product and how well it worked for you. And as always, thank you for watching this video.